The Kenyan government is claiming success in its Haiti peace mission, reporting that the Kenyan-led forces under the Multinational Security Support mission have regained control of key areas in the Haitian capital, Port-au-Prince. According to a press release issued by the Kenyan government, the mission has cleared the gangs, making major neighborhoods safe, reopened schools, hospitals, and restored public services that had been disrupted for years. It says that the citizens can now move freely, conduct business, and send children to school, milestones that are seen as a significant turnaround for a city long plagued by violence. MSS Force Commander Godfrey Otunge, who spoke to the media in Port-au-Prince, hailed the operation as a success, but also acknowledged that the mission is not without challenges.
These victories belong to the Haitian people. They reflect their hope, resilience, and the shared commitment of our forces, drawn from the Bahamas, El Salvador, Guatemala, Jamaica, and Kenya to the rebirth of Haiti.
He cited funding and equipment shortages as ongoing hurdles and appealed for additional support from international partners to sustain the security gains. Otunge also paid tribute to officers who have lost their lives in the line of duty and one who remains missing, calling them heroes of the mission.
As the mission endeavors to keep Haiti safe, observance of human rights by mission personnel remains to be its utmost priority. In July 2025, the mission celebrated 1 year of zero tolerance to human rights violation and sexual exploitation and abuse. This is a great milestone that the MSS is proud of as it continues to adhere to internationally accepted practices as guided by the mission key pillar documents.
Kenya's ambassador to Haiti, Nor Gabo, emphasized that the mission reflects Kenya's standing commitment to international peacekeeping. He stated that the forces under MSS have performed very well, advancing both Haiti's stability and Kenya's global interests.
This mission was established because of in the context of ensuring that Kenya has entered this mission, the MSS, and therefore there was need to have a mission which will be able to work with Haitian government in terms of bilateral arrangements, and also the other issues which we were supposed to do here in this mission is to ensure that the stability of Haiti, the security support to the mission, the Kenya-led mission. You are all aware that we have 735 officers in this country, officers drawn from the Kenyan police officers who have arrived here 15 months ago. These officers have done an excellent job in terms of the job they have done when they arrived here. We also have 30 international Kenyans who are working with the United Nations and other bodies here. And this mission is the mission which is taking care of the day-to-day running of those officers. Also, we are here to ensure that we protect and project and promote Kenyan interests within Haiti and the larger CARICOM area. Also, we promote trade, investment, and commerce.
But not everyone shares the government's rosy assessment. Opposition politicians and independent observers in Kenya have questioned the legality and the effectiveness of the mission. Some legislators argue that deploying police forces abroad without parliamentary approval violates the Kenyan law. Others warn that the officers are under-equipped for urban gang conflicts whom they are facing in Haiti, raising concerns about safety and long-term sustainability of the mission. Analysts also point out that security alone cannot solve Haiti's deeper problems, such as poverty, weak governance, and entrenched gang networks. They caution that unless these issues are addressed, the gains that have been made may be temporary. For now, the Kenyan government emphasizes that the mission's achievements, critical infrastructure, reclaimed public services restored, and daily life returning to parts of Port-au-Prince is a significant development. The Multinational Security Support mission, backed by the United Nations, aims to provide a stable environment so that Haitian authorities can restore governance and rebuild institutions. And while the Kenyan government celebrates the progress, opposition voices, legal experts, and civil society stress the importance of transparent oversight, adequate resources, and a long-term strategy to ensure that peace is sustainable. As the mission continues, our eyes remain on Haiti and on whether these initial successes can translate into lasting stability for the nation and security for the Kenyan personnel on the ground. For now, at least the Kenyan government can claim tangible achievements in a city long overshadowed by violence, even as critics urge caution and continued vigilance. BMJ Mridhi reporting.